Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to make your Microsoft Word page portrait to landscape. So you can see this is the portrait mode, but if you want this in landscape mode, then you can easily do this. So you can do this multiple page. You can do one page or you can multiple page. So how can you do it? So first of all, you need to click here the layout. Here you can see layout. Click here and then click here. This is the page setup, and this is the corner. Click here, and here is orientation, portrait, and landscape. So you need to tap in the landscape and everything. Keep it like this, and here you can see it's the whole document. This is necessary to keep the all page in the portrait to landscape, and then click OK. So you can see now everything is in portrait landscape, so you can work. So friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.